Welcome back to the channel, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews straight from Amazon. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best upright vacuum cleaners that are making waves for their power, convenience, and performance. Stick around to find out which one could be the perfect fit for your home. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Shark NV752 Rotator Powered Liftaway TruePet Upright Vacuum with HEPA Filter, Large Dust Cup Capacity, LED Headlights, Upholstery Tool, Perfect Pet Power Brush and Crevice Tool, Bordeaux. The Shark NV752 Rotator Powered Liftaway TruePet Upright Vacuum stands out for households with pets thanks to its dedicated Perfect Pet Power Brush. It uses a HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens, which is especially useful for allergy-sensitive homes. The powered liftaway feature lets the canister detach, making it easier to clean stairs, furniture, and under low spaces without losing brush roll power. Its large dust cup capacity means fewer trips to the trash, while LED headlights on the nozzle help spot hidden debris and pet hair in darker areas like under couches. The vacuum includes an upholstery tool for furniture, the Perfect Pet Power Brush for stubborn pet hair on stairs and cushions, and a crevice tool to clean tight corners. Designed with swivel steering, it feels responsive around furniture and table legs. The TruePet version of the Rotator series is slightly heavier than some models, but the powered liftaway helps offset that when cleaning areas above the floor. Its Bordeaux color finish gives it a premium look, matching well in modern homes. Noise levels stay moderate, which is important when cleaning around pets that might get anxious. Performance across both carpets and hard floors stays consistent, and the brush roll can be switched off when moving to delicate flooring to avoid scratching. Pet owners appreciate how hair doesn't wrap around the brush roll as easily, which reduces the need to stop and cut tangled strands. The suction strength remains strong even when the dust cup gets fuller, and filters are easy to rinse and reuse, keeping maintenance affordable. With a long power cord, users cover large rooms without constantly switching outlets. The vacuum remains well balanced when used in liftaway mode, and accessories lock securely to avoid falling during use. The combination of powerful suction, versatile attachments, and anti-allergen technology makes this vacuum a reliable choice for pet-friendly households or anyone needing deep cleaning on multiple surfaces. Number 2. Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Liftaway Deluxe with Large Dust Cup Capacity, HEPA Filter, Swivel Steering, Upholstery Tool and Crevice Tool, Blue, NV360. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 offers an appealing blend of power and value. Featuring a detachable canister, it transitions smoothly between upright cleaning and portable liftaway mode for stairs or furniture. Its large dust cup capacity helps reduce emptying time during longer cleaning sessions. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it traps fine dust and allergens, making it suitable for allergy-conscious users. The swivel steering enhances maneuverability, so users can easily navigate around furniture legs and under coffee tables. The included upholstery tool gently lifts dirt and pet hair from fabric surfaces without damaging delicate materials. The crevice tool handles edges, corners, and along baseboards effectively, which helps maintain a thorough clean. Suction power remains steady, and the brush roll performs well on both carpets and area rugs. On hard floors, the vacuum keeps debris contained rather than scattering it. While it doesn't have a self-cleaning brush roll, it's simple to remove tangled hair when needed. The NV360 is built with an easy-to-empty dust cup, and washable filters help keep ongoing costs down. The blue finish gives it a fresh look that fits modern decor. Users often note its reasonable weight, which keeps it comfortable to push and carry around the house. Cord length allows for coverage of medium to large spaces, and liftaway mode lightens the load for stairs. The vacuum's height makes storage relatively compact, ideal for closets or utility rooms. Everyday usability is a highlight, with a straightforward design that doesn't overwhelm first-time users. Maintenance routines stay simple: empty the cup, rinse the filters periodically, and check for obstructions in the brush roll. Overall, the Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 delivers solid performance and flexibility for homes needing a balance of affordability and strong cleaning capability. Number 3. Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Liftaway with Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, HEPA Filter, Swivel Steering, Upholstery Tool and Pet Crevice Tool, perfect for pets and multi-surface, teal, Zu503 AMZ. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Zu503 AMZ is built for multi-surface cleaning and shines in homes with pets thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll. This feature actively removes hair while the vacuum runs, reducing maintenance time and keeping suction consistent. The Liftaway design lets the canister separate to clean stairs, shelves, and under-low furniture. Its HEPA filter traps fine dust and allergens, which is useful for allergy-prone users. Swivel steering adds control, making turns smooth even in tight spaces like between chairs and under tables. A pet crevice tool reaches deep into corners where pet hair often hides, while the upholstery tool helps freshen couches and chairs. The vacuum maintains solid suction on carpets, lifting embedded dirt, and transitions well to hard floors without scattering crumbs or debris. Noise levels stay reasonable, so it won't disturb most pets. Users appreciate the consistent performance, and the teal color adds a modern touch. Dust cup capacity handles average-sized homes without frequent trips to empty, and filters can be washed to save on replacement costs. The self-cleaning brush roll means less downtime, especially in homes with multiple pets or long hair. Cord length covers standard living areas, and the lift-away mode helps reduce weight for stairs and hard-to-reach spots. Build quality feels solid, and accessories snap in securely. The design prioritizes ease of use, keeping daily cleaning tasks straightforward. Weight distribution keeps it stable, even on thicker carpets. Owners highlight the convenience of cleaning pet hair from rugs and furniture without constantly stopping to detangle the brush. Maintenance remains simple: empty the dust cup, rinse the filters, and occasionally inspect for blockages. The balance of power, pet-focused tools, and the self-cleaning brush roll makes the Zu503 AMZ a practical choice for families with pets. Number 4. Shark Zu561 Navigator Liftaway Speed Self-Cleaning Brush Roll Lightweight Upright Vacuum with HEPA Filter, Red Peony. The Shark Zu561 Navigator Liftaway Speed combines lightweight design with a self-cleaning brush roll, making it suitable for busy homes, especially those with pets. The liftaway feature helps reach stairs in tight spaces by detaching the canister while keeping the brush roll powered. HEPA filtration paired with the anti-allergen complete seal captures dust and allergens effectively. Swivel steering lets users move easily around obstacles like chairs and table legs. The vacuum remains easy to push and turn, which is especially helpful in compact living areas. The red peony color gives it a vibrant, modern appearance. Noise stays at a moderate level, which is less disruptive for pets and family members. The self-cleaning brush roll saves time by minimizing hair wrap, keeping suction performance steady even in homes with shedding pets. Dust cup capacity suits medium-sized homes, and it's designed for quick emptying. Filters can be rinsed and reused, keeping operating costs low over time. The vacuum handles multiple surfaces, from thick carpets to hard floors, without needing to change settings manually. Weight stays balanced when in lift-away mode, making stair cleaning less tiring. Accessories include standard tools like a crevice tool and upholstery brush to target narrow gaps in fabric surfaces. Users appreciate the straightforward assembly and simple control layout. Performance remains reliable on everyday debris, and brush roll tangle reduction keeps it efficient over longer sessions. The design focuses on practical use, avoiding overly complicated adjustments. With a solid reach from its cord and hose, users can cover living rooms and hallways with minimal outlet changes. Maintenance routines stay quick: empty, rinse, and occasionally check the brush roll. The Zu561 balances portability, pet-friendly cleaning, and user comfort. Number 5. Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner Navigator Liftaway Swivel Steering HEPA Filter Vacuum for Pet Hair, Crevice Tool and Dusting Brush included for carpets and hard floors, white/silver NV356E. The Shark Navigator Liftaway NV356E stands out for its versatility on carpets and hard floors. Its liftaway canister mode simplifies cleaning stairs, drapes, and under furniture without needing to drag the whole vacuum. HEPA filtration and the anti-allergen complete seal capture fine dust and pollen, which is important for allergy sufferers. The swivel steering feature improves control, letting users move around table legs and into corners smoothly. Dust cup capacity fits larger areas, reducing the need to stop and empty frequently. The included crevice tool tackles edges and tight spots, while the dusting brush gently removes debris from shelves and delicate surfaces. White and silver styling offers a clean, modern look. Noise levels remain moderate, making it comfortable for everyday use without being overly loud. Suction strength handles both thick carpets and smooth floors, picking up pet hair and fine dust effectively. The vacuum stays stable while turning, and its design keeps weight reasonable even in lift-away mode. Filters are washable, cutting down on long-term costs, and the brush roll is straightforward to maintain. Cord length covers typical rooms without repeated outlet changes. The height makes it easy to store in closets, and the controls stay simple enough for all family members to use confidently. Users often note its reliable performance across high-traffic areas, and pet owners appreciate the ability to clean hair from stairs and furniture easily. Maintenance remains quick, emptying, rinsing filters, and checking for blockages. With consistent suction, a flexible lift-away design, and practical attachments, the NV356E remains a trusted choice for homes balancing pets, carpets, and hard flooring. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description to see today's featured vacuums on Amazon. Stay tuned for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.